That was a good breakfast. Let's go gather the tools for the field.
I'll get the baskets ready.
And I'll take my watering can to help the little plants. Let's take a little rest. We could use a water break.
Good idea. I am getting thirsty. During work, people should drink as much water as possible.
All right, I think we have everything.
Yes, let's go home now.
The baskets are heavy this time.
Look at the sunflowers, they're so pretty.
Our daughter is growing up, but she is not going to school.
She should go to school. Education will give her a better future. She will be ready to grow up.
School will help her become strong, smart, and successful.
Okay, hop on tight. Ready for our big adventure?
I'm ready, Daddy. Let's go fast. This is amazing. We finally made it, sweetheart.
My daughter is 4 years old now. I want her to start school. She is excited to learn new things.
What's going on?
Ruby will go to school from tomorrow. She got...
Admission! I'm so excited for school today. Yay!
We are good friends. Let's play together.
Sit here, kitty. I'll get some milk for you. My friend, please eat this food. You must be very hungry. Come on now, let's go to sleep. She's getting too attached to him.
We can't keep him, dear. You know we can't.
My daughter's focus is drifting away from her studies because she plays too much with her cat.
What should we do? Ruba, you must understand how important this is. You need to focus on your studies and stop getting distracted.
Here, Roysty. I will learn. I will explain it to her.
Nothing better than that. Come, today we will go outside for harvesting the crops.
I'd love to.
We should have studied in our childhood too, but because of life's difficulties, we could not continue our education. But our daughter should focus on her studies.
Yes.
Our daughter spends all day playing with the cat, and she should focus on her studies. My idea is that we should leave the cat in the jungle.
Tomorrow, you and I will both go and leave the cat in the jungle.
In the morning, when our daughter goes to school, we will take the cat and leave.
I'm going to school. Bye, honey. Have a great day.
Have a great day at school, honey.
We love you. Be careful.
Oh, look who's here.
Well, hello there, little friend.
He's so cute.
Aren't you just the prettiest cat?
All right, in you go, sweetie.
He seems quite comfortable in there.
What about that spot there, near the big leaves?
Yes, that looks good. Let's put him down there.
All right, little guy. This is it. Be free and stay safe out here.
Where do we go?
I don't know, honey. Which way?
What is that?
Look at the path.
They're guiding us.
We need to follow. To follow.
We have to keep going. The cat is showing us the way to the village.
There she is.
Oh, darling, it's so good to see you.
Cat helped us and brought us back from the jungle. Yes, the most loyal friend.
Please forgive us. We thought this cat could not help us at all, but we were wrong.
We could not have returned home if this cat had not been with us.
We will not think of throwing it out of the house again, and we will all live together. If you like, please subscribe us.